Hey, adrenaline junkies, welcome to KM Top Crazy, where the thrill never stops. Brace yourself for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most electrifying moments ever caught on camera. If you crave the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Let's get that heart racing. The consequences came instantly as that car pushed past the speed limit. Footage from a bystander shows just how fast a police car reacted upon receiving word of the chase. So yeah, don't even think about running from them. This criminal is going to have a hefty repair bill to pay. This footage comes from a Luxembourg police camera, showing them in pursuit of a white vehicle up ahead. Let's see if their chase tactics are anything like those of US police. Well, it looks like they're handling things a bit more gently than their American counterparts. This guy tried to pull off a wheelie right in front of the police and immediately got chased down by a whole squad of officers eager to get his autograph. Footage captures a car speeding away from the police in a desperate escape, but the moment it swerves past a line of vehicles up ahead, it completely loses control. Luckily, the suspect inside wasn't seriously injured, but still, what they did was absolutely insane. This one car managed to take out 3 police vehicles, really racking up the charges here.
What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
The most one-sided chase I've ever seen. Maybe the suspect should just be sentenced to go home and have a hot cup of coffee to wake up.
That's mad.
Close-up footage of a truck driver stepping in to help police chase down a dangerous suspect. Guess when you're big, everything just gets easier. I really don't understand what he's trying so hard to accomplish. This loyal dog is chasing after a police car, demanding the release of its owner. So the officers made a decision. Now they're taking both of them in. One criminal vehicle, but 2,000 police cars in pursuit.
There
to go. There to go. Got his ass. Stupid motherfucker.
Successfully deploying spike strips usually means the chase is as good as over. The video captures the intense moment when the police chase down a suspect in Powder Springs. The suspect is moving at an extremely high speed, coming dangerously close to causing accidents with innocent drivers on the road. Despite the heavy traffic, the suspect recklessly swerves into the opposite lane in a desperate attempt to escape. And then, immediate consequences. The car slams into a tree, completely crushing the front end. As of now, the police haven't released any information about the suspect's condition. This looks like a serious crash, and honestly, I just can't understand why the suspect was so desperate to flee. Police were on the lookout for a stolen vehicle taken in Melbourne a few days ago when they spotted it moving through northern Indian River County. What followed was a high-speed chase, reaching speeds of around 100 miles per hour. During the pursuit, one police vehicle was completely wrecked and another suffered severe front-end damage. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. The suspect, Jonathan Davis, is now facing charges of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer.
Passing 10th nearly struck a OCPD motorcycle.
If you were chasing down a criminal and suddenly got shot at, how would you react? Most people would panic, but not the officer in this video.
Eastbound today at Kilpatrick.
The moment the suspect fired at him, Trooper Miller remained incredibly calm, immediately reporting the situation without a hint of fear in his eyes.
Still pointing the gun.
Still pointing your gun.
Ooh, that was ugly. So yeah, taking one round through the front windshield. He's still continuing to fire.
The windshield was shattered by gunfire, but thankfully none of the bullets hit him. Despite the chaos, he continued to update his team on the pursuit with absolute composure.
TBI.
And in the end, that calmness paid off. Trooper Miller executed a perfect TBI maneuver, flipping the suspect's car off the road. Within seconds, backup units swarmed in and took the suspect down.
I'm behind it, 15 seconds behind it, southbound 826.
On May 9th, 2024, Melina Logan took a 2024 Honda Civic for a test drive from a dealership in South Miami and never came back. Dashcam footage captured the chaos and recklessness she unleashed on the road.
Mother was in the four, she's trapped inside the car.
Yeah, right before exit to 253 Miami, start fire.
But Logan wasn't done yet. She jumped out of the car, climbed onto a concrete ledge, and dove straight into a nearby pond in a desperate attempt to escape. Even after refusing rescue ropes thrown by the police, she was eventually pulled from the water and taken into custody after a brief struggle. Lufkin police attempted to stop a stolen Chevy 2500 in a Walmart parking lot, but the suspect refused to comply, triggering a high-speed pursuit on the road. The rain made it difficult for the suspect to maintain control, slowing his escape. Then, during a right turn, he lost control and crashed straight into a roadside signpost. As officers moved in to arrest him, they saw Moore toss a backpack toward a fence while trying to flee. Inside, they found a handgun, a digital scale, and a metal grinder. Cody Davis is facing 6 charges related to a high-speed chase down Ryan Street on April 10th. Dashcam footage shows him ramming other vehicles off the road, driving into oncoming traffic, and, according to prosecutors, ditching a stolen firearm on the sidewalk.
Alright, get off there for a minute. She's got 52. Oh, shit. Thank you. Say that. Okay, need the floor. Ronnie College. Hold down. Good, very good. Eddie, take the 52, take the 52. Run in, Robbie.
In his defense, Davis claimed he kept driving because his brakes weren't working. Trooper Robinson, however, dismissed it as the most ridiculous story anyone has ever told on the witness stand.
Okay to use a couple on my cell.
Alice Castilleja, 18, was being pursued after reports linked her to a child assault case. Inside the vehicle were 3 adults, 2 children, and absolutely no intention of stopping when police signaled her to pull over. The chase came to a sudden end when Castilleja crashed on her own, allowing officers to rush in and rescue the 2 children. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in the pursuit.
He's speeding up. He sees us.
Toledo police received a report of a stolen vehicle taken at gunpoint during an armed robbery at a convenience store. Using the flock camera system, officers were able to locate the stolen car within minutes of the crime. The suspect's vehicle hit spike strips, immediately slowing down as a result. According to court records, a Lucas County grand jury indicted Khan on August 8th on multiple charges, including armed robbery, failure to comply, tampering with a firearm while disabled, Two suspects involved in human smuggling were being pursued by police.
Left on South Patrick Street, Spring Street. Take a right on spring, head back towards 90, head back towards Del Rio.
Hey, they both start to get off and start trekking. Good executive. I repeat, heading back to executive. 75 miles an hour. Anytime you have 3 and 5 of life. Getting close to 4,600. Very well, Jonas. In the trunk. I'm going to do a video back of the past the places.
As they tried to ram through a fence to escape, their vehicle got stuck, leaving them with no choice but to flee on foot. But that attempt didn't last long either.
On the ground! On the ground! Stop! Get down!
Upon searching the vehicle, officers discovered 6 undocumented immigrants, including 2 crammed inside the trunk. The individuals were from Guatemala, Honduras, and Ecuador. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.